For centuries, we've been busy wiping out other species. Sometimes deliberately, other times out of a simple lack of awareness. But can we make amends for the sins of the past? Is it possible to successfully return animals to places they were once driven from? A pioneering project carried out in the shadow of the Rocky Mountains in the western United States says it is. Yellowstone National Park is enormous. It spans an area 60 miles long by 50 miles wide and is home to elk, bison, grizzly and beavers. Just over 20 years ago, there was a new arrival, or to be more accurate, a return. The reintroduction of the wolf has by all accounts had a spectacular impact on the park and its ecosystem.